My name is Peter Balliere. I'm the president of Cas di Glas, together with some other people who organized the first edition. We are very happy to announce the second edition of Cas di Glas in Palm Beach Plaza from December 12th till December 16th. The concept of Cas di Glas is very original. We are working together this year with 3 radio stations, and those radio stations will lock up from every radio station a DJ. They're not allowed to eat. They only can drink fresh juices. The intention is to raise a lot of money for the elderly people. As the subject of our fundraising is Dankinan os Grandinan. It is time to support them. The meaning behind that is that we are very grateful to them because, you know, they made Aruba what Aruba became today, and just to put them a little bit in the picture as well, we want to do this. As a good cause, as a foundation, we have the Wit Kruis, because they worked very close together with the elderly people. And Gino, the president of Wit Kruis, will explain you much more of the needs of the elderly.